Is your Kitty P1010 smoke alarm constantly going off? The two most common culprits are dust accumulation and low batteries. Dust can mimic smoke particles, triggering the sensor. Use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to gently clean the sensor chamber. Avoid water or solvents, as they can damage the electronics. If it has a backup battery, replace the 9 volts battery every 6 to 12 months. Test the alarm monthly by pressing the test button. A weak battery can also cause false alarms. Remember, proper maintenance is crucial, as a 2024 USFA report indicated over 90% of smoke alarm activations are false alarms, often due to dust or battery issues rather than actual fires. If cleaning and battery replacement don't solve the false alarm issue, use the hush button to temporarily silence the alarm for about 10 minutes if it's a nuisance alarm, like from cooking. If the alarm reactivates, try a full reset by pressing and holding the test hush button for several seconds. This might recalibrate the sensor. However, if false alarms persist despite these steps, it could indicate a faulty sensor or wiring problems. Smoke alarms should be replaced every 10 years. If your P1010 is nearing this age or continues to malfunction, replace it to ensure reliable fire detection. NFPA and KID recommend testing weekly and replacing after a decade.